A silver monk. It is from bartender Phil Ward. And what I really like about this is that it is a really interesting twist on an East Side cocktail. All right, so what we're gonna do is add some of our wilting mint, 4 to 6 leaves. Then we're gonna add some cucumber coins. Add 2, I added 3 because one was really thinly sliced. Half an ounce of simple syrup. And then we're gonna just give it a light muddle. You wanna make sure that you're pressing the mint, but not too much. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of yellow chartreuse. Remind me to clean the cap, Marius. And last but not least, 2 ounces of tequila blanco. So add all our stuff to a tin and shake it for 8 to 10 seconds. This is a cocktail that you are 100% going to need a double strain. There it is, the Silver Monk. Let's give it a taste. Oh man, the yellow chartreuse on the cucumber is fire. The yellow chartreuse plays so well with the cucumber and mint. You get the mint, you get the cucumber, and then you get that chartreusey flavor. It's balanced out nicely by the simple syrup. You do also get the elements of the agave. You still get like that minerality that you'll get with tequila. It's very nice. I really like this drink a lot. I will say that the last 2 drinks would benefit from a couple of drops of saline solution in each one, which I probably should have done because it's really gonna brighten things up and highlight some of those flavors. There it is, the Silver Monk.